Are you looking for easy and affordable ways to get access to quality PLR content? Look no further. This video will show you a brand new PLR pack with 10,000 plus unique ebooks in multiple niches. You can easily create a library of high-value content with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to writer's block and start your journey toward becoming an expert content creator with ChatGPT today. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. GPT Book Pack. Brand new PLR pack, an ultimate collection of 10,000 plus ebooks in multiple niches. You can now quickly create high-quality, unique content for any business without breaking the bank. Don't waste time and money on expensive writing services or freelancers when you have access to this amazing PLR pack. With 10,000 plus uniquely generated ebooks in multiple niches at your disposal, you will always have fresh and compelling content that truly stands out. Your very own content business without typing any words yourself. 10,000 plus ebooks with PLR rights included. Hundreds of niches from weight loss to real estate to finance. 100% original, written with ChatGPT. Generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. Use ChatGPT and True AI to create ebooks that read better than paid writers from Fiverr. Your own army of AI-powered robot writers working for you 24/7. Exact same tech that's behind OpenAI and ChatGPT. Never pay for content again. Sell ebooks to clients or give them away for free to build your list. Publish your ebooks on Kindle and become an author. Each ebook comes with gorgeous graphics. Just put your name on them and publish. 1 million plus DFYAI written articles already built in. 10,000 plus DFYAI written ebooks already built in. 100% newbie friendly. Autopilot free traffic in any niche with one click. No technical skills or experience needed. 0 monthly fees. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your content writing to the next level today. Check the link in the description now. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying I like it, and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.